Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. I'm Richard Miller and I'll be presenting today's episode of AI Traders Live. We'll be focusing on cryptocurrencies. We'll be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. We use 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts and quick 3-day moves. Now all these 4 AI strategies cater for different type trading styles. Whether you're a swing trader or a position trader, all 4 of these strategies, there's something for everyone. Now just remember, a tip of the iceberg explanation how the AI works. The AI uses genetic algorithms in particularly to use all the possible stock market indicators and combinations of indicators as well as relationships. So it does 10 to the power of 200 different type calculations to eliminate the low probability trades. We're only interested in 55, 65 plus probability of success trades, for example. So the AI does all these calculations for us, and these signals are simply the best from a probability and success weighted basis. Let's jump straight into the artificial intelligence engine to find those top quality trades using AI. I've got the Metastock platform open. I've selected the Fulgent artificial intelligence engine. I've selected all the cryptocurrencies we're going to discuss. We've got Bitcoin up here. We can see the last signal back here in May. Fantastic return there. The AI did accommodate with a very wide stop loss, and the AI learned from this experience with the volatility there that it should add a larger stop loss. You can see we've got stopped out there and now we're into a new trade. The other moves, quick move up there, volatility breakout there, fantastic trades, caught that move, caught that move, caught that move, and they caught the about 5 moves over the last 5 months. And then there's a couple of short selling opportunities as well as new long opportunities, but we're in the most recent trade in around the 35,500 and it's now at 50,000. So a fantastic return on Bitcoin on an end of day basis using the AI. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart. Even on the 4-hour chart, Bitcoin's been really chucking off some great trades back here on the 18th in on volatility breakout. That trade lasted all the way up back here up until August. Then a bit of a correction and then another volatility breakout which lasted until about hitting the trading stop loss on the 15th, and immediately the AI generated another signal because it picked up the underlying market activity that it's looking for to find high probability trades. So you can see over the last couple of weeks, fantastic trades in Bitcoin. Even the most recent trade here at 45,000 had a trading stop loss around 43, and we're still in a long position. And there's a new trading stop loss at 48.5. So watch out for that. That's a trading stop loss of 48.5. Currently, Bitcoin, the AI is still long Bitcoin. You can see Ethereum is next. We see the AI has generated quite a lot of positive high probability trades in the past. And we've had a fantastic long position recently in Ethereum generated by the AI. This one got stopped out here. Just sliced through the trailing stop loss there, but we had a new volatility breakout signal here on the 17th, around about the 17th at about 22,000, and that trade is still long. So this trade, back in May, also generated a healthy return in around about between 2,200 and 2,300, and it's now 3,343. So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart, see more intraday. The AI generates some fantastic signals on the 4-hour chart. You can see here back on the 18th we had 2 volatility breakout signals. And then that captured that move. The 25th we had another one, and then another one on the 1st of August. Huge move up, quick move to the downside there to profit out of that volatility move there. Volatility breakout there, that one got stopped out, but then immediately generated another one with a very wide stop loss, and that also generated a profit. So it's now range bound here in a sideways moving pattern with still some volatility breakout signals. You see the most recent one also positive trade. The last 2 very profitable with a trailing stop loss at 3,100. So you can see even on the 4-hour chart, the AI is generating some fantastic trading signals in cryptocurrencies. Next up is Ripple. We can see back in December had a nice trade there that lasted up until February, and then in February another trade that captured the entire move, the March-April rally, only to hit the trailing stop as well as a sell signal right at the top here. The AI said enough's enough, take profit, and then just before the big drop you avoided the drawdown. That volatility breakout did work out, generated a nice little profit there, and then this volatility breakout here back in May also still profitable. Note how the AI learns from the trading experience to volatility adjust the stop loss. So you can see there's a very wide stop loss for Ripple. I personally would move it up to about 1 now, just above the 1 zone, just to lock in some of the profits on a trailing stop basis. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart to see what the AI is showing on Ripple there. So yeah, on the 18th we had a lovely volatility breakout, last up until the 1st. Then hit the trailing stop. Immediately the AI generated a new signal that lasted very nicely, another volatility breakout, and then a huge quick move. So you caught this move on the 8th up and from this level of 95 cents to about 120, 135, and then the AI generated a short selling signal, caught that move to the downside, another quick move to the upside with a couple of longs. So on the 4-hour chart, also doing well from an artificial intelligence trading perspective on Ripple. So the most recent signal is still in a long, in at 120 with a stop loss of 110, just above 110 for Ripple. So that's the current 4-hour AI generated signal on Ripple. Just back to the end of day chart here, we can see the stop loss was down here. This stop loss is now the one I get off the 4-hour chart. So that's the one I'll stick to on the daily chart to lock in this profit from this move on a daily chart. We also captured most of this move on the 4-hour charts. So fantastic returns using AI to trade Ripple. Now Litecoin's been interesting. We can see we get a lot of quick swing trade moves on it. There's a volatility breakout that lasted quite a big move as well, in around about the 120 zone, out in around about 189 zone. So that worked out well. Quick move there, quick move there. Then a short selling quick move to the downside, another quick move. So it does capture quite a lot of high frequency quick moves. Quick move is generally in the first day, out the third one or fourth one. So these are quick swing trades. And the most recent quick move is in here at 170 with a trailing stop loss at 140. Now Litecoin on the 4-hour charts also chucking off some really great trades. We can see here back in the 18th volatility breakout, caught that move, caught the move on the 25th as well, and then August the 1st huge move, volatility breakout on the 8th. So these two trades all did very, very well with a trailing stop loss hit in and around the 175 zone. We're in here at 140, and a secondary trade here at 150, and 175 was the exit target. New volatility breakout. You can see the AI adjusted the stop loss very widely. So the AI is still in a long in Litecoin, and the trailing stop is now just above 175 there on the 4-hour chart. So we can go back to the daily to see what that looks like on the daily, for example. There we go, loads. So you can see that's your trailing stop now at 175, current 190. And the AI is actually, from a quick move perspective, generating a sell signal there. But we also have a volatility breakout on the 4-hour chart, so you can decide whether you want to take the profit now or just move the trailing stop up. But so far, so good. Fantastic trades using AI trading Litecoin. The last one to look at is Bitcoin Cash. You can see historically quick move, lots of high frequency short-term swing trades, even one to the downside, another quick move to the upside, quick move to the upside, and quick move to the upside, and then two shorts to the downside. Volatility breakout here in around 650. So this one's still not in the profits based on the most recent signal from an end of day basis. Very wide stop loss on this one on Bitcoin Cash, so the AI is expecting significant volatility. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour chart, see what's new and what the signals say on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin Cash. Takes a second or so. You can see, yeah, fantastic trades, volatility breakout once again on the 18th, 25th, the 1st, the 8th, 15th, so all profitable trades there. And now most recent volatility breakout here with a trailing stop loss in and around the, what's that level there, just 135, 132 zone. That's the trailing stop loss. If we go back to the daily to check out what the trailing stop loss looks like on the daily chart, gives an idea. So there you go. So kind of a break-even trade on the end-of-day basis, but the 4-hour trades all caught this beautiful move up from these lows here. So well worth looking at the intraday charts as well when trading the crypto. Bitcoin Cash, fantastic trades using AI. So far so good. A couple of really great trades using AI to scan and trade the cryptocurrency pairs. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end-of-day basis, this side, or the real-time, if you do high-frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform. And that brings us to the end of this AI Traders Live episode. Until next time, happy AI trading. Bye for now.